Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Thailand eyes India to boost tourism recovery after waiving visa for China. West Bengal's Shantiniketan makes it to UNESCO World Heritage List. Prime Minister Modi says, a proud moment. Tourist arrivals expected to cross record 2.25 crore mark this year. JNKLG. UAE India travel, 200 kilograms baggage limit, 440 dirhams ticket fare, passenger ship expected to launch in 2023, holiday havoc, 40% reject online booking due to misleading info and service issues, says report. UK increases visa fee for visitors, new rule to be effective from October 4th. UK increases visa fee for visitors, new rule to be effective from October 4th. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.